Hello and welcome to the Ken Verkaman Legal Podcast. We're looking at evicting deadbeat tenants, and typically I'm amazed why some landlords just let people go for months and months and months not paying and have excuses after excuses. For the properties that I've owned, the rent is due on the first of the month. If they don't pay by the 4th, on the 5th, we send them a letter in the email, and we also attach notices of notice to quit, notice to stop late payments, and then if they don't pay by the 15th, we just file the eviction complaint. Why wait? Unless it's someone who you know that's going to come through, because a lot of times it's just people that because losing a job, illness, they're just not going to have the ability to pay, and they want to see how long they can stay in property you own for free. So in New Jersey, we need to prepare a complaint, and there's a form that typically sets forth, okay, how much is the rent? Is there a lease or not a lease? And people who don't have leases are foolish, because if there's no lease, then the landlord has less rights and they can't seek legal fees. And then typically our complaint will set forth, okay, how much is owed, what the late fees are, what the legal fees might be, and then it also says if they don't pay by, let's say, whatever the next month is due, by the time the court date is, that should be added on to the eviction complaint. The court in New Jersey, doing landlord-tenant, only has the power to evict people. And then oftentimes when we go to court, there's a settlement can be worked out. Either the person pays by X date, or will leave, or they're just not going to pay, but they're going to vacate. If they agree to vacate, that has to be they have to appear in front of the judge, sign papers. Let's say the deadbeat tenant doesn't even show up, then we have to prepare the landlord certification, the landlord's attorney certification, and a request for warrant for removal. The the landlord will then, typically the same day as court, bring the request for warrant for removal over to the central fee office and landlord-tenant division, pay the filing fee, and then the court usually waits the 3 days, and then a constable has to serve the tenant. There's more information on evicting deadbeat tenants, but that's kind of a start, and other information is on our website, njlaws.com, and for representation in Central Jersey, contact Ken Verkaman's office at 732-572-0500. Thank you.